Alright, I took everything out. It's a big amp, 2 batteries. Oh, sexy. Alright, now I'm making my speaker wire. This is 2 strands of 8-gauge power wire that I got looped around each other. This was the old wire that I had in here. I was just trying to see what they sound like until I got some thicker wire. But as you can see, it's a little bit of difference. I took the speakers out too. So I'm gonna strand up another 3 of these, stain the box, and put it back in after I Gorilla Glue up this side over here again. So, alright, deuce.